user to look through the results and say, this is great, this helps me to accomplish my goals, and I'm going to take this knowledge and actually do something with it to my advantage. So putting the results in practical use. When we say we're going to do data mining in step 3, there are different methods that we can use. Some of the ones we already mentioned. One could be extracting of association groups. Another method could be building a decision tree. Another method could be creating clusters. So we're going to, first of all, decide what we're going to be doing, which method we will use, and next apply that method to extract the knowledge. In step 4, post-processing. So we will run our filters through these and present only the novel and understandable useful knowledge, but we're also going to test if our method works properly and correctly or not. So we have a way to evaluate our model and see if it's making a lot of mistakes or if it's very accurate. And the final thing was putting the results in practical use. That was in step 5. So we might have to, when we do this valid, potential, useful, novel, and understandable, we might have to transform the knowledge that we discovered into some other representation. So we may need to combine data together to a higher level. That's called aggregation. That's what I mentioned earlier with the Walmart store, because the manager is interested in the sales from Southeast and not in specific stores. So we might have to aggregate, generate some sort of reports, or produce visualizations of the data before presenting it to the user. In order to accomplish this, the knowledge discovered databases is a new area of research which combines other areas together in order to accomplish what we would like to do here. We need to combine other fields. So we are combining statistics. Some statistical methods are used for our purpose. So to accomplish the KDD, we need to use statistical methods. Such as deduction and induction for numerical data. As I mentioned earlier, prerequisite for this course is database course, because database management systems allow us to store these huge sets of data and be able to query them, access them, search through them, modify, delete them, and so on. If we will be mining this data, we need to use databases, need to use concepts from database field. And the final thing here is machine learning and artificial intelligence. So concepts of these fields are used in designing the data mining methods. So combination of these three, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this is to allow machines to learn from the data. So we will train them based on the data that we have to learn something. In our previous example, they would learn what describes a virus. What makes a patient have a virus? We have a way to make the machine learn this by looking at enough patients that have virus. And it's gonna start understanding what makes them have a virus. Versus the ones that have bacteria or the ones that don't have anything and are feeling normal. So we have algorithms that allow us to make the machine learn that and train it, and next present data it has not seen before and ask it to identify for the new patient, do they have a virus or not? So that will come from machine learning. What kind of application areas do we have? For data mining.